Festive season is on, and here I have a look which you can create for any of the Indian occasions. So you can create this look with a red sari, dress or salwar kameez. So before I start my makeup, I'm applying Milani Rose lip mask on my lips to keep it hydrated. My skincare is complete. Now I'm applying this MAC Fix Plus Prime Spray on my face to start the makeup. I like to start my makeup with my brows. So here is a brow pomade from ABH, and this is the brush which I always use with this. The brow pomade is in the shade Ebony. So I start with the tail of my eyebrow and slowly I come forward so that the shade at the starting of my brows is lighter and it gets darker alongside when I reach to the tail of my brow. Here I'm concealing my under eyes and areas where I have spots with Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. Little goes a long way, so I'm just dotting the products at the corner of my eyes and at the end of my eyes. On my face, wherever I have dark spots or scars, I'm just applying a little dot of the concealer. This is a high coverage concealer and I really like the texture. It doesn't make you crease so much and the color really suits me. This sponge is from Essence and it comes in a set of 3. These sponges are very helpful to get into the corners of your eyes and in small areas. It doesn't let your concealer move all around your face. This is the Swiss Beauty 06 palette and I'm taking this pink color to dust all over my eyelids. I'm not using any kind of concealer for my eyelids because it tends to crease, and today this will be enough. This is a Sephora glitter eyeshadow and I'm just applying it on the lower third of my eyes. This is a nice gold champagne color and this looks really festive and it matches the mood. With this dark color, I am just concentrating on the outer V of my eyes to darken it out. Here is my favorite liquid eyeliner from Lakme. Sorry, I had some problem with my camera and I could not record that part. As this is a glam look, I will use this liquid highlighter from Swiss Beauty all over my face. This product has glitter particles into it, but it won't look too much obvious because I will be wearing this beneath my foundation. So this will give a luminous effect. This is a Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation from Fit Me, Maybelline, and I'm dotting it with the help of a brush. So I will keep the foundation very light. I'm not applying much product here, but yeah, I have taken one pump of it and I will spread it all along my face and my neck as well. Because this is a glam look, I will try to keep the coverage full. That is why I will not use any beauty blender today. You can see how dewy and hydrated my face looks here. Again, from the same eyeshadow palette, I will take this dark shade and with a flat shader brush, I will put it on the lower lash line. So this will give a smoky effect when we apply kajal. Now with the help of this Lakme Iconic Kajal in black, I will tightline my waterline. And let me tell you, this is one of my favorites. Like, I have been using this kajal for around 10 years now. With the same kajal, I will also tightline my upper lash line, and that will change the look completely. With the same shade from the palette, from the eyeshadow palette, I will pick that dark shade and again go above the kajal so that it gives a smoky effect. So this is the new Sky High mascara from Maybelline, and I'm applying 2 coats of it. It says that it gives length and volume to your lashes. So today I'm not applying any false lashes to keep the look simple. Now to set my base, I'm applying this L'Oreal Oil Killer Powder with this fluffy brush all over my face so that the makeup stays for a long time. I'm using this blush a lot these days. This is from Iba All Time Pink, and I love the shade. This is a cream blush and it blends really well into your skin. I'm applying this blush on the high points of my cheek, and with the circular motion I will pull it upwards towards my eyes and towards the temple. Now it's time for the lips. Now I will dab my lips with a tissue paper so that the excess lip mask, whichever was there, it will go. And with this Miss Claire lip liner, I'm lining my lips. Today I will be wearing a red lipstick, so I want to make sure that it doesn't bleed. Now I'm again applying a Maybelline product, which is Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Pioneer, and I bet you would like to reach out to this red lipstick a lot during this festive season. To finish this makeup look, I'm applying this Lotus Herbals Sindoor in maroon. So that's the completed look. Let me know if you like this video, if you like this look, and if you are going to recreate this one. I will be adding my jewelries now to finish up this look for today. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer you.